So we out here in Coney Island. Got a couple of rides going on here today. You see all the nice cool rides. We got 2 EXNs. We got 2 Shermans, including mine. And we got an MFP high torque. So we're about to ride very nice and slow around pedestrians. Just enjoying the view. Hope you guys like it. If you're not subscribed to my channel, like, share, and subscribe. And see you guys soon. My guy Andre over here on the MSP. He ordered his Sherman, but it's stuck in Cali right now. So he's wishing he's on his Sherman. Mentally, he's mentally thinking that he's on his Sherman right now, but he should definitely be on his wheel within the next week.
Yeah, one more week.
One more week, guys. One more week.
I came from the sand, that's my holy land. Overstand you could die for an open hand. Niggas turn stone cold, start throwing cans. They gon' show you no heart if you owe it, man. I control my band, like Axel, I Rose and Stan. And we think it's the Corleone fam. Like OnlyFans, you fucked off, then it's showing the can be righteous in a broken land. Quit all of that chitting and none of that chat. We can be righteous and ratchet. See, bitches be talking, but bitches be cat. We can be righteous and ratchet. Hey, hey, we can be righteous and ratchet. I came from the bottom of people and starved. We can be righteous and ratchet. So what the fuck you call that? They all cap like a top hat. So fucking nigga want all that. You niggas all whack. Fuck the game, take it all back. Don't you know I came from all scraps? I came from humble beginners until I'm fucking I'm winning. The Netherlands is full of snakes. I got a ton full of venom. There's an army in the village, but I run around with us. Face the general, easy to fucking lieutenant. Let's get it.
Similar situation, I'm killing on your bitch cause I'm lyrically amazing. I'm billion dollar bitches, some blue faces on my stack, homie. Give a fuck where you from or at, homie. Send me the addy, we put it up now. Send me the addy, we put it up now. Fuck up, we block it, we wanted you down. Now you got murder on the car. Who fucking this is dollar on the rig? We gon' run the exit, driving in the sprinter. We the SMS, the sign, we deliver like a homies. Rest in peace, t-shirt. I ain't playing, y'all get beat worse. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. Quick shit.
None of that chat. We can be righteous and ratchet. See, bitches be talking, but bitches be cat. We can be righteous and ratchet. Hey, hey, we can be righteous and ratchet. I came from the bottom of people and starved. We can be righteous and ratchet. Hey.
Shit'll get stained up in a demon whip. Got the cane cup that a fiend can sip. But the A button letting the evil get another thing. Fuck shit for the semen dripping on down to a pool of the soul. See, y'all see an angel, but none of you know. Y'all getting pulled up with thinking she righteous, but she hit me up and she begged for the pole.
So ready and go, I said it before. If they snakes up the deuce, it's set in stone. Now there's some things that the reverend don't know. I know some secrets that's never gon' show. Cause if they get out, they go kick in my house and I'll go in the bay where the pelicans go. Cause the posse be like a hockey team, gotta stick in with a semi, they pros. Like a mobster, eat a lobster with pasta. Just to stop us, you gon' need plenty of options. Body on my bodyguards, Kevin Costner. Fuck it, I'ma pass the mic to my partner.
Screwing that stomp on her heads like a soccer. Deflating those booty shells to they blanca. We launching Boeings to set up tu casa. So get to home and then set up your starter.
Quit all of that.
Cheating, all that chatting. We can be righteous and ratchet.